Hi there, welcome to Side Hustle Hacks channel. We're your go-to source for tips, tricks, and strategies to achieve financial freedom. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind? You're in the right place. We're here to help you explore the exciting world of passive income where your money works for you 24/7. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, there's something for everyone here. Stay tuned and let's get started on your journey towards financial independence. Remember, your path to a richer life starts here and now. Have you ever thought about earning money while you sleep? It may sound like a pipe dream, but it's a reality for those who've mastered the art of passive income. Passive income is money that you earn with minimal active involvement. It's the secret sauce to achieving financial freedom and flexibility. Imagine a life where your income isn't tied to the number of hours you work. Rather, you create multiple streams of income that work for you, even when you're not actively involved. This means you could be traveling the world, spending time with your loved ones, or even getting a good night's sleep, and your bank balance continues to grow. From investing in stocks to selling products online, there are countless ways to generate passive income. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and live life on your own terms, buckle up. Now let's dive into the top 10 tips for passive income. Tip 1. Investing in stocks. This is a popular method of generating passive income. When you buy a company's stock, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. As the company grows and profits, so does your investment. One way you earn money from stocks is through dividends. These are a portion of a company's profits paid out to shareholders, typically on a quarterly basis. It's like getting a bonus just for owning the stock. Another way is through capital gains, which occur when you sell your stock for more than you bought it for. But remember, the stock market is unpredictable. Prices can go up and down. It's important to diversify your portfolio and not put all your eggs in one basket. This way, if one stock performs poorly, others might do well. Always do your own research or consult with a financial advisor. Remember, investing involves risks. Always do your research. Tip 2. Real estate investment. Imagine owning a property that someone else pays for. Welcome to the world of real estate investment. This strategy revolves around buying a property, renting it out, and then sitting back as the rental income rolls in each month. It's like having a business that runs itself. Now, if the thought of dealing with tenants and property maintenance is giving you a headache, don't worry. There's a way to invest in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord. It's called a real estate investment trust, or REIT. Essentially, a REIT is a company that owns and manages income-producing real estate. You buy shares in the REIT and it pays you dividends from the rental income it earns. It's that simple. Real estate can be a lucrative source of passive income, but like all investments, it requires careful planning and consideration. Tip 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Imagine, instead of keeping your money sitting idle in a bank, you could lend it to someone who needs it and earn interest. That's the core idea of peer-to-peer lending. This system connects lenders directly with borrowers, bypassing traditional financial institutions. The result? Potentially higher returns for you, the lender. Now you might be wondering, how does it work? It's simple. You choose a reputable peer-to-peer lending platform, set up an account, and decide how much you want to lend. The platform does the rest, matching you with borrowers and managing the loan process. But remember, as with any investment, there's a catch. The higher the potential returns, the higher the risk. Borrowers may default on their loans and you could lose your investment. So it's crucial to spread your risk by lending small amounts to multiple borrowers. Peer-to-peer lending can offer attractive returns, but remember, higher returns come with higher risk. Tip 4. Affiliate marketing. Picture yourself as the link between a business and potential customers. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. It's a performance-based business model where you earn a commission for promoting other people's or companies' products. Here's how it works. You choose a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Sounds simple, right? But it requires a good understanding of your audience and the ability to provide them with valuable content. Remember, it's not about forcing a product onto your audience, but rather suggesting products that you genuinely believe in and know will benefit them. It's about creating a win-win situation where the company gains a customer, the customer finds a product they love, and you get a cut from the sale. Affiliate marketing is all about building trust with your audience. Always promote products you believe in. Tip 5. Create an online course. Imagine turning your knowledge or skills into a source of income. Sounds great, right? Well, creating an online course allows you to do just that. From baking to coding, art history to astrophysics, there's a market for practically every subject under the sun. Here's how it works. You create a course once, but you can sell it countless times. That's the beauty of this passive income stream. You invest your time and effort upfront to create something valuable, and then reap the benefits over time. And the best part? There are many platforms available today that make the process of creating and selling your course incredibly user-friendly. They handle transactions, customer support, and even marketing to some extent. So take a moment to think about what you're good at or what you're passionate about. Your knowledge is valuable. An online course is a great way to share that value with others and earn passive income. Tip 6. Write a blog or ebook. Have you ever considered that your thoughts, ideas, or stories could actually become a source of income? Well, they can, when you choose to write a blog or ebook. You see, the digital world thrives on content. People are always on the lookout for fresh perspectives, insightful analyses, or captivating tales, and that's where you come in. By sharing your unique insights, experiences, or stories through a blog or ebook, you create value. And value, my friends, can be monetized. You can generate income passively through advertisements placed on your blog, sponsored posts, or even direct sales of your ebook. It's like having a conversation with the world and getting paid for it. So if you have a way with words or a story itching to be told, why not give it a shot? Your words can be a source of income. Start writing today. Tip 7. Rent out your space. Now let's talk real estate, but with a twist. You don't need to own multiple properties to generate passive income. Look around. Do you have an unused room or a vacant parking spot? These spaces can become your cash cows. Think about it. That spare room gathering dust can be transformed into a cozy haven for travelers through platforms like Airbnb. Or perhaps you live in a bustling city where parking is a premium. That unused parking spot could be a godsend for someone and a source of regular income for you. These are simple yet effective ways to make your space work for you. Remember, it's not about having a lot, but making the most of what you have. So, take a look around your home today. Your unused space can be a goldmine. Consider renting it out. Tip 8. Start a YouTube channel. The beauty of YouTube lies in its accessibility and reach. It's a platform that welcomes all kinds of content creators, and it can be a goldmine of passive income opportunities. You might be wondering, how on earth can I make money on YouTube? Well, there are a few ways. Firstly, ad revenue. Once your channel meets certain criteria, you can enable ads to run on your videos, and you'll earn a portion of the revenue. Secondly, sponsorships. Companies are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products. If your channel aligns with their brand, they might just sponsor your content. And finally, merchandise sales. Got a catchy catchphrase or a cool logo? Turn it into merchandise and sell it to your fans. Your creativity and unique perspective can attract an audience and generate income on YouTube. Tip 9. Develop an app. In this technology-driven era, apps have become an integral part of our daily lives. They simplify tasks, entertain us, and even help us stay connected. But have you ever thought about creating your own? You see, developing an app can be a lucrative source of passive income. It might sound daunting, but with the right idea and a little bit of hard work, it's definitely achievable. Now you might wonder, how can an app generate income? Well, there are two main ways. First, you can charge users to download your app. Second, you can offer the app for free and make money through in-app advertising. You can even combine these approaches for a more diversified income stream. Over time, as your app gains popularity, the income can become quite substantial. Remember, in the digital age, a good idea can go a long way. Consider developing an app. Tip 10. Sell products online. In our digital era, the internet offers a vast marketplace to sell products, be it physical goods, digital downloads, or services. Platforms like Etsy and Amazon have made it possible for anyone to set up shop with just a few clicks. Do you have a knack for crafting unique jewelry, or perhaps you've mastered the art of homemade soap? Maybe you're an artist who creates digital prints. These platforms can turn your hobby into a robust online business. But remember, it's not just about listing your products and waiting for sales. You need to put in some work initially, like creating attractive product listings, optimizing for search, and providing excellent customer service. However, once you've established your brand and have a steady stream of customers, these sales can become a significant source of passive income. So, why not give it a go? Selling products online can turn your hobby into a source of income. Now that you have these 10 tips for passive income, it's time to take action. It's all about making your money work for you even while you sleep. From investing in stocks, dabbling in real estate, to exploring peer-to-peer lending, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. Affiliate marketing, creating online courses, and writing blogs or eBooks can turn your expertise into a steady stream of income. Don't forget about renting out your space or starting a YouTube channel. With the digital world in full swing, developing an app or selling products online could be your ticket to financial freedom. These tips are not just strategies, they're stepping stones to a life of financial independence. A life where you're not trading time for money, but rather, your money is multiplying on its own. Remember, the journey to passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. Start today and build your financial future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're here to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to achieve financial freedom. Get notified about our latest videos that will guide you on your journey to passive income. By subscribing, you're joining a community of forward thinkers who are taking control of their financial future. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and let's make your money work for you. Remember, every financial journey starts with a single step. Let us be part of yours. Subscribe now.